It is just a 3-step process to fix 0xc0000005 error in Windows 10. Right click on File Explorer, then select Properties. On this window, you can check your system type, processor. So my system type is 64-bit operating system. Then open Google Chrome and type here Internet Explorer 11 download and hit enter. Now click on first link to download the setup for 64-bit. On this window, scroll down and click here to download the file. It will take some time to complete its process. Then open the file location and right click on it and click on open. Then click here to install the setup. Now close all windows. Go to File Explorer, then open C drive, then open Program Files, then open Google folder, then open Update folder, then go to View, select Options and click this option, then go to View tab, scroll down and uncheck this option, that is Hide Extensions for Unknown File Types. Click on Apply and then OK. Now right click here, select Rename and add here just .bak and hit enter. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.